This is a cargo bike, a cargo bicycle, not as a cargo bike because I still pedal. So it has pedal. It has the electric hub motor and the cargo is one-sided. So there has to be load inside. This is the third tire. This is the back. So I'm going around. So where do I start from? Starting from the control, just few controls. I have the throttle here. It's a thumb throttle. I decide to use a manual bell so that I don't give too much load to my battery. I have enough battery anyway. 53.3 volts. That's the state of charge of the battery. So this is the floodlight, and then the hazard lights. I have one in the front here and two behind here. Maybe I should on it, right? The hazard lights will only come on when the power is on. Once the power is on, and this is the, I think this is the hazard light, right? Yes, this is the hazard light. That's it. Let's go to the behind. So if I'm on the highway, this hazard light has to be on. And then the full light. That's the full light. That's the full light. The full light to the hazard light. That's the full light with the hazard light on. Now, how does it work? It's simple. Very simple. Let me go to the box and open it. This is the box. We have the battery there. That's the battery, and I have some spare battery. And that's the electronic. So while I am on the move, I have a generator here that will keep it charged. So it's a free energy cargo bicycle. You see, as it moves, it keeps it charged. See, it's a charge controller. Instead of charge controller, I use that boost converter. So I use that boost converter. So I can also use up to 250 watts, from 100 to 250 watt panel. I can connect it here and just come in and plug it in here. That's it. Just come in, plug it in here, like that. Just like that, it will charge. So how's that? It's available for sale if you need it. So you can use it to deliver. So you don't need to waste fuel. You can do this thing. Everybody can do it. It's simple. If you want to continue to complain, so it's left for you. If you want to buy it, call me. If you want to convert your own, it's not cheap, but you can convert it. So don't think if it is cheap, the only way you can get it cheap is to do it yourself. Simple. Thank you very much. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed. I'm working on an electric vehicle. I'm trying to make it as simple as possible, but I think I prefer this cargo bike. So no public authority will disturb you with bicycle. But if you have this one, they will call it moto, and they will come for you. They will call for registration. This one you don't need to register. You don't need a driver's license. This one, I don't know, Sha. So that's why I focus on this one and build it. I'm going to build another one very soon. It's for sale. You can buy it. But if you want, I will make for you. This is for myself. Thank you. Me and my brand new baby, we are good to go. If we like, let it get to 2,000 naira per liter. I move.
You can move now. No, the
See these people.
ça gars tu es là.
Wow, cat. That's